Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, August 12th. And you can see temperatures out there more comfortable in the 50s, dew points in the 50s. And we got one more nice comfortable day with low humidities today. We'll have highs only in the mid 70s, so it'll be a pretty nice day out there. And then we're going into a pretty summer-like pattern here over the next week or so. The GFS and the European models actually paying out about 3 days where we could be around 90 degrees. So very warm temperatures will certainly add to our growing degree days here over the coming week or so. You can see a live look courtesy of Northern Michigan's news leader, TV 9 and 10, this out of Mount Pleasant, and you can see a pretty nice day starting out there. Things are quiet. And if we look at the weather map for later today, you can see high pressure system that's centered over Iowa will continue to just very slowly move off to the east over the next few days, and eventually that's going to turn our winds around to the south and bring in warmer and more muggy conditions as we get into the weekend. And we'll have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms scattered about the area on Thursday. A better chance Friday into Friday night as a cold front will be dropping down from the north. And you can see that on the weather map as we move ahead in time. That high pressure system off to our south, extending all the way to the east coast, will bring that warmer air into the region. And just about the time you expect a cold front to come through and move south of the area, it's already shifting around as a warm front. And again, that's what's going to bring us some pretty warm temperatures right on the next through the next 5 to 7 days. Lots of 80s and maybe even a couple 90-degree days maybe in that time period. Sometimes the models are a little aggressive on that, but certainly solid 80-degree temperatures right on through the middle and end of next week before we may cool down for a short period of time. But I think we're looking quite warm to end the month of August, and I think right now September looks like I think it's a month that I'm going to forecast above normal, and that's kind of hard to do when 16 of the last 19 months have been below normal to try to forecast an above normal month, but I think that's what September is going to end up being. If we look at some soil conditions, you can see the response to the rain we got the other day. Things are drying out now a little bit, but still quite moist, very favorable conditions in the soils. If we look at the WPC's 7-day forecast through the area, you can see a ring of fire with the hot and dry air across Texas into Oklahoma and Arkansas, and that warm air trying to expand to the north, and then along that boundary line of that heat, you can see the ring of fire. That's where we expect showers and thunderstorms to be quite plentiful across the plains into the Corn Belt into the Great Lakes region. And as far as precipitation from the GFS model, you can see it quite agrees over the next 10 days. Most areas over an inch, and we'll certainly keep an eye on this precipitation that shows 1 to 2 inches plus across Wisconsin. That certainly could be in the southern lower Michigan area as well. But overall, pretty favorable moisture outlook here over the next 7 days. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.